Every major messaging app on your phone has a little padlock icon or some shield icon somewhere in its privacy settings, and they all say the same thing, end-to-end encrypted, which is great, except most people have no idea what that actually means, and some of those companies using that phrase are counting on that. Here's the thing that should bother you. If you've ever gotten a "we found new friends for you" notification from an app that's supposedly encrypting everything you say, someone knows something, and that someone is not you. The mental model most people have on encryption goes something like this. You type a message, it goes into a blender, it comes out as gibberish, travels through the internet as gibberish, lands on your friend's phones, ungibberishes itself, and nobody in the middle saw anything, which is actually correct for the message's content. Sometimes. The part people miss is everything else. Who you talk to, when you talk to them, how often, how long your messages are, what device you use, what was your IP address then, whether you were moving or you were sitting, and whether the platform also offers a cloud backup service that stores your message history unencrypted on their servers. But other than that, totally private. Let's be precise about what end-to-end encryption actually guarantees. When a message is end-to-end encrypted, it means that only the two endpoints, your device and your recipient's device, hold the keys to decrypt it. The server is in the middle, sees a blob. It cannot read the content of the message. That part is real. The problem is that end-to-end encrypted is a statement about the transport layer of your message. It says nothing about what happens before encryption or after decryption. It says nothing about metadata. It says nothing about whether the app also uploads your contact list to a server to improve your experience. It says nothing about whether the encryption keys are actually managed by you or the company. Because end-to-end encrypted has become a marketing phrase first and a technical specification second. It functions the same way natural does on food packaging, technically defensible, practically misleading. Everyone involved knows this. The incentive to fix it is approximately zero. The incentive to keep saying it is very high. So here we are. If you actually want end-to-end encryption, the benchmark is Signal, open source, audited, metadata minimizing by design, no ads, no parent company, conflicting business model or something like that. The non-profit behind it has one product, and that product is the app. You should use that for anything you would like to keep private. The broader principle here is, when evaluating any privacy claim from a tech company, ask two questions. 1. Who holds the encryption keys? 2. What data does this company collect that doesn't need to be encrypted because it was never private to begin with? If those questions feel uncomfortable to ask, good. They should. End-to-end encryption is one of the best tools we have for keeping communications private. It works exactly as described for the specific thing it describes under the conditions where the company implementing it didn't find the way around it. Which, if you think about it, it's a sentence that could close pretty much any tech privacy story from the last decade.